This is my Troy built 4x4 self-propelled lawnmower. It just come in. There goes UPS. And as you can tell, it's raining outside. It's been sunny all day. He waits till it rains to bring this over. So now I guess I'm just gonna pop this baby open and see what it looks like. You're over there, start that mower. Now wait, after you start it, you're gonna pull this hand, you're gonna hold this back, pull this handle and this handle up, okay? Stop. Stop, let go of that, okay. You're gonna do both handles at the same time. Not yet. Just hold that, get ready. Get your hand down there on that handle. There you go. Whoa. Don't pull them yet. Pull them. Okay, let go. Let go. Let go. There you go.